Hey guys, so I wanted to show you this new 3-gallon fish tank that I got. So I was looking for something small that I could put here in my home office. So this is going to hold 3 gallons of water. You can see here with my arm, it's not very big. It did come with pretty much everything. The only thing you see that wasn't included was the rocks and the Cinderella carriage. But these three plastic plants here, they came, all of the filtration part of it. It actually has a temperature probe. So this little black thing here, it's built right into it. And so you can monitor the water temp, which is really important to keep your fish healthy. All of this, the pump, filter, everything was included. I mean, it literally took me probably 10 minutes to set this up, and that included pouring the water inside it. So it has a built-in lamp. As you can see, it has different colors. And then it also has different brightness settings. So just depending on what you want, I thought that was pretty cool. Let me switch that's there. So I'm setting this up. I'm going to go buy some fish today. I just want the water to level out. And then I'll put the fish in their bag in here to let them acclimate, and then we'll get it going. But anyway, I just wanted to show it to you because I know a lot of little kids like to have fish tanks in their room, and this is the perfect size for a child's room. Or like I said, I'm using it here in my home office, but super cute, super easy to put together. Definitely recommend it.